Today I am going to discuss about optional property types initializers in Swift. So today I am going to discuss about optional property type initializers in Swift. So what is optional property types? If your custom types has a stored property, if your custom type has a stored property that's logically allows to have no value. That's logically allows to have no value. Perhaps because its value cannot be set during initialization. Perhaps because its value cannot be set during initialization, or because it is allowed to have a no value, because it is allowed to have no value at some later point. Declare the property with an optional type. Properties of optional type are automatically initialized with a value of nil. Property initialized with a automatically initialized with a value of nil, indicating that its properties deliberately indicating that the property is deliberately intended to have no value yet during initialization. So let us there are following example. We can create a structure struct sorry class. We're gonna create a class which have name of student, which have two property. What is name property? Var name, which is type of string, and second is response, which is type of string optional. We can declare on the string optional declare. So class have a need of initializers in it. So name, which is type of string, and self dot name equal to name. So name is initialized. So this is optional property. The response to be student structure class can be known until it asks for this optional property. We can declare. So we can create an optional property as well. So we can calling all this object use. So let st equal to student st equal to student, so which have name is what is your name. This is the question, what is your name, and st dot response. So firstly is print. So we can use another create a function, another class function ask question, which have no parameter, and print on this name. On our parameter is name. So we can check on this name st dot ask question. We can run on this. So what is your name question, and not response. Response is a optional declare property. So to the response to a student of structure can be known until it asked question, and we can assign the answer. So we can set on the st dot response equal to my name is Risalat Sadiq, and we can print of st dot ask question. So we can run it. My name is Risalat Sadiq. What is your name? And we can ask question is print name, my name, and we can print on this print st dot response. So st dot my option is my name is Risalat Sadiq is the optional property. So we can unwrap on the nin cohesion operator. Unwrap on this response nil conditional operation. My name, what is your name? My name is Risalat Sadi. So we can use optional. So we can use the optional property. So perhaps because it is a value cannot be set during value and cannot be during initialization, or because it is allowed to have no value at some later point. Declare the property with an optional type. Optional type. Properties of optional type are automatically initialized with an nil. Property optional automatically initialized with an nil. So thank you for working with this. We can use today. I am going to discuss you about optional type property. Optional type property initializers. Optional type property initializers. Today I am going to discuss out. So thank you for watching this video.